Hello game devs. In this video I want to talk about some AIs that can help us to create some games or some assets and anything that we need in our game development. The first one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most famous AI platform that we can use to create any code that we need in our game. It can also create some 2D characters. It's not so good, but it can do it. Or it also can create some textures and something that you need. But ChatGPT is really better in creating some code and doing some coding stuffs. You can improve your GPT. You have to just come here in these GPTs and explore, and then here you can type Unity and then find the most used GPT models. So I want to use this. It's really easy to use, and you just say something that you want. For example, I say I want FPS. It stands for first person controller, and then it will create this controller for us. And as you see, we have this code, and we can use it in our game. As you see, it writes all we need in our controller. Here we have something like our camera and something for our animation and everything that we want in our game, and we do it with just in this 1 2 3 4 4. So I suggest you to use ChatGPT and any AI models that can speed up your game development and take some less energy of you to create your games. It was ChatGPT, and let's go to another model. Scenario.com is another AI model that we can use to create our 3D models, textures, and lots of more stuffs in our game. You can come to this site and see what this amazing AI model can do for you. And as you see here, we have some examples. This character or this tiger, this video that is generated with this AI. Here we have this 3D modeling and lots of other stuffs that you can do with this website. Let's explore more in this scenario.com, and here as you see it's created some 3D models, and you can see here or some videos that are created with this AI, and also we can see some images that are generated by this AI. It's enough for this website. I want to show you another website that can help you to create your game assets. It is Copilot. In Microsoft Copilot, here you have this lab section. In this lab section, you can generate some stuffs, for example, like 3D models. You can create some images. I want to show you this Copilot 3D. Here we have this library of 3D models that Microsoft provided for us. We can use them, or we can create our own 3D model. It's really easy. You just go to Copilot and send an image and say you want to create a 3D model, and then it will give you these amazing models that we have here. It's enough for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed these AI models that can help you to create your game. See you in the next video, and goodbye.